Kadong minuto guys, beef. Ito ikat cubes karon. Ito the garlic, with pepper, celery, radish, carrots, onion, matik na. Guys, naiwan na ito guys. Guys, tato olive oil. Ada onion. Tapos garlic. Paprika. Beef na iniwa. Matik na guys. Itong magic water. Tapos black pepper, garlic powder. Okay na itong beef. Cover na ito for 15 minutes. Gawin na ito para sa beef. Matik na. Tapos check na itong beef. Matik na. Matik na. Okay guys, ito na itong beef guys. Sit up na ito. Itong size. Okay, for sit up. Okay, set up na for plating. Matik na guys. Okay, thank you for watching. Kusina ni Glenn. Matik na beef slow cook.